Hi guys, well it's gone really cold, look at me, I'm absolutely padded up to keep warm. Today's video is all about autumn. We're going to go return to the forest and the woodland, and we're going to try and capture some of that golden light, golden leaves, all that beautiful golden colour. Well, we made it back out of the cold, back into the bedroom stroke studio where it's nice and warm. So I've got a great picture that I've captured on the phone, and I just waited for a little bit of light in that daytime to come through, which was really appealing, and we're going to work on that now. Really soft sky for you today, really soft, quite cloudy and almost a little bit misty as well, and the way we'll do that is by just dropping on some nice water all over. I'm going to soak the paper with it and then let it soak in, and we're going to get a nice, hopefully a nice soft diffuse kind of sky today. Over here I'm just going to put in some soft indications of the blue. Predominantly I want a nice sort of really light, soft, warm glow. So I'm going over to my alizarin crimson and my cadmium yellow. Nice warm glow. Somewhere around there. Look at that beautiful orange warm glow being created there.
So to finish off, I'm just going to drop in some of the branches and a little bit of work on the trunk and the shadow, and we're done. It's always nice to pop the branches in, and you can do that by dropping them in just in between those white areas that you created when we did the brush work for the foliage. It's nice and steady. Use the fine brush at the top, obviously, because the branches are obviously thinner and narrower, a little bit more wispy, aren't they? So that's what we'll do there, and work our way down. I'm using a very, very dark green here for these branches. And although I don't want to go overboard doing lots and lots of fine branches, what I do want to do is make sure that I do enough branches so it makes like the foliage that we've created with that earlier brushwork looks connected to something. So therefore we'll make it look more realistic. A nice little sort of field sketch there, nice and autumnal, lovely colours. We'd got the yellow, hadn't we, to start, a little bit of green in there, the blue, the alizarin crimson to get up some warmth and a bit of readiness and goldenness to that yellow. A little bit of darkness just with bringing in the neutral tint, especially around the trunk area, just to beef it up a little bit and bolder, give it a little bit of strength. But other than that, we've got some nice tones going on, haven't we? And a nice little bit of depth and mistiness over there in the background. Brought it forward a little bit. We've just seen me put that reflection in there for the this little stream that's running down here from over here in the distance towards the left. little path just here, just flicked it in nice and loose, some little washes over washes just here, a few little trees just going on there, and we flicked in a few branches. And then we finished off, didn't we, with the main tree, the focal point of the picture, just over here. Dabbed in with the brush, side of the brush, didn't we, get that effect of the foliage and some different colours, some golden colours and some reds, and done a little bit darker, and then just added in some little tree branches and things and got a little bit smaller and a bit more finely just up at the top. And that's it. There's a nice autumnal scene. I hope you like that one. So until next time, I hope your creative journey is going really well for you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.